Hello guys, welcome to this new course. In this course, we are going to learn about getting things done. This is a system of productivity which is going to enhance the workflow and develop great system of how to handle tasks and projects in your life, not just at work, but both personal and professionally. So let me tell you what I'm going to teach you in this course. We're going to go through a new practice. We're going to set a new reality with that new practice. And I'm going to give you a brief overview of 5 steps for mastering workflow. And then 5 phases of project planning, which is going to give you a complete and detailed understanding about how to handle the workflow and how to handle projects. And then we're going to go through each step of the workflow. All right, like I've said, the 5 steps for mastering workflow, and then we're going to go through each step and getting projects under control. Here we're going to learn about how to handle our projects in a more effective manner. And then we're going to learn about Notion. Why? Because Notion is a great tool which gives a lot of customization in our hand, and at the same time it is simple and easy to learn. Then I'm going to give a good example of how to create a project management template using Notion. Finally, we're going to apply getting things done system in Notion where we can handle stuff as we want. So this is a great way to understand, learn, and handle your tasks and projects. Let's go ahead and learn about getting things done. Thank you very much, guys.